Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss a fantastic natural method to speed up metabolism and burn fat. Tea burn. Have you ever wondered how some people can easily lose weight without seeming to put in any effort? Well, the secret lies in their metabolism, and tea burn may be the key to unlocking your own metabolic potential. Tea burn is a powerful blend of natural ingredients that work together to boost your metabolism, increase fat oxidation, and ultimately help you lose weight naturally. Some key ingredients in tea burn include green tea extract, caffeine, and catechins. Green tea extract is a popular drink known for its numerous health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Green tea also contains caffeine, which is a natural stimulant that can help boost your energy levels and improve your focus. In addition, green tea extract contains catechins, which have been shown to help speed up your metabolism and increase fat oxidation. Catechins are particularly powerful in this regard because they help stimulate the release of adipose, a hormone that regulates your metabolism. Adipose helps your cells take in fat and transport it to be burned as energy. This results in increased fat oxidation and a natural kick-start to your metabolism. In short, tea burn is a natural and effective way to speed up your metabolism and burn fat. By incorporating tea burn into your weight loss routine, you can reach your goals faster and more sustainably than ever before. So why not give it a try and unlock your true weight loss potential? Cheers to a healthier and happier you!